Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
Cease to operate or cause to cease operating. Close up the shop. Close, close down, fold, shut down. Refuse to talk or stop talking, fall silent. Be quiet, belt up, button up, clam up, dummy up. Block passage through. Block, impede, jam, obstruct, obturate. Unite or bring into contact or bring together the edges of. Close up an umbrella. Close. Very close. Without my reading glasses I can hardly see things close up. At close range.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.